Hello students, welcome back. I am Rinkesh sir and today we will continue with exercise 2.2. In our last video lecture we had completed till question number 5. Today we will start from question number 6 and we will finish this exercise. Okay, so let's start with question number 6. Question number 6. Determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by R equal to, see here it is given that R is equal to x, x plus 5, the ordered pair x, x plus 5 such that x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this means that these are the values of x that you can take. Okay. So what I will do, here I am writing x, the first element of the ordered pair, and here x plus 5. So which values of x I can take? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So obviously this will be the domain. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So when I take x equal to 0, x plus 5 will be 0 plus 5, that is equal to 5. When I take x equal to 1, 1 plus 5, 6. When I take x equal to 2, 2 plus 5, 7. When I take x equal to 3, 3 plus 5, 8. When I take x equal to 4, then 4 plus 5, 9. And when I take x equal to 5, 5 plus 5, that will be equal to 10. Right? So what will be our relation? Our relation R will be equal to ordered pair 0, 5, 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, 9 and 5, 10. Right? So the first element will be the domain. Domain will be equal to 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And what will be the range? The image of 0 is 5, the image of 1 is 6, image of 2 is 7, image of 3 is 8, image of 4 is 9, image of 5 is 10. Right? These are called the images. And if I want to say 5, then I can say 5 is the pre-image of 10 in this case. Okay, 5 is the pre-image of 10. But in range, it consists of image. So that will be equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the domain and range. Clear? So note down question number 6. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 7. Question number 7. It is given that write the relation R. So let me write it down. R is the relation R is equal to x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10. So now see here, the ordered pair is x and x cube. Now which values of x you can take? It is given that x is a prime number less than 10. So which are the prime numbers? The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, but 11 is greater than 10. Okay, I only have to take the prime number which is less than 10, right? So the values of x and x. So which are the prime numbers which are less than 10? 2, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, so 2 cube that will be equal to 8. 3 cube that will be equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 5 cube that will be equal to 5 ones are 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. 7 cube, that is 7 into 7 49 and 49 into 7 that is equal to 343. 343. Okay, so we got our relation R will be equal to 2, 8, 3, 27, 525 and 7 343, right? Here domain is not asked. If the domain was asked, it will be 2 3 5 7, and the range will be 8 27 125 and 343. Clear? So this was about question number 7. So just note it down. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 8. Question number 8. Let A equal to xyz and B equal to 1 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. Okay. So let me write down A is equal to x, y, z. So what are the number of elements of A? 3. Now set B is equal to 1, 2. What are the number of elements of B? 2. Clear? Now what is a relation? Relations, they are subsets of A cross B. Right? If I want to find out the relation from A to B, then it will definitely a subset of A cross B. So if I take A cross B, the number of elements will be equal to 6, right? Let me note it down. x1, x2, y1, y2, z1, z2, right? So actually no need to note down this a cross b, because the question is directly you have to find out the number of relations. So what are number of elements of A cross B? 6. I can directly write down 3 into 2 because number of elements in A is 3, number of elements in B is 6. So 6. Or else on the other way, just calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 elements in A cross B. So now what is relation? The relation will be relation R will be subset of A cross B. So how many total number of subset? So total number of subsets of A cross B. This will be equal to 2 raised to n. And how many elements A cross B is having? 6. So 2 raised to 6. Clear? Therefore, the number of relations from A to B will be 2 raised to 6. Clear? So this is the answer. It will be 2 raised to 6. Okay. So note down question number 8. Okay. So now let's move to the next question. That is question number 9, which is the last question of this exercise. Question number 9. Let R be the relation on Z defined by R equal to ordered pair AB. Okay, here it is given R is equal to the ordered pair AB such that A and B both belongs to Z, means both are integer, such that A minus B is an integer. Now see, here it is given A belongs to Z. That means the first element you can take any integer. So from this we can say that the domain will be equal to Z. Any integer, right? Now you have to select B in such a way that A minus B is an integer, right? Okay, now we know that difference of any two integers will be integer itself, right? Means when you will subtract any two integers, the answer will be integer. So if I am taking A as any integer, then I can take B as any integer. So B will be also belonging to Z. We can take any value from that integer, right? So the range will be also equal to Z. Here, so this was about question number 9. So just note it down. Because here any value, any integer a and any integer b will take, the difference will be integer. So that's the reason the domain is also z and range is also z. Clear? So here we completed exercise 2.2. Okay, now let's take some extra questions. Here it is given that set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Define a relation R and that is from A to A such that R is equal to xy, y equal to x plus 1. So you have to define such relation. So see here what I can do, x and y equal to x plus 1. Which value of x I can take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is the value of y? X plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Similarly 4, 5, 6, 7. So what will be the relation? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 and 6, 7, right? So this will be the relation. The first question, depict this relation in an arrow diagram, right? So in arrow diagram, what I will do, set A to A. Now see here, the question is from A to A. Here I got the value 7, right? So I am not having the value 7 in my codomain, so I cannot take this. So I cannot take this value. Clear? Okay. So like that, write down here me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Clear? Now what is the relation of 1? 1 is related to 2 is related to 3. 3 is related to 4. 4 is related to 5 and 5 is related to 6. This is the arrow diagram of this relation. Clear? Okay, so this is the arrow diagram. Now I need to find out the domain, codomain and the range, right? So see, domain, which value I can take? Domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this was not going to be in the relation, so that will not be in the domain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What is the codomain? Codomain is this complete set. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? And the range which value I got? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the range. Okay, so note down this extra question. The next question, the figure shows a relation between the sets P and Q. Write this relation in set builder form, means property method, and second Brewster form, and what is its domain and range. Okay, so now see here, you can see that set P consists of element 9, 4 and 25. Now see 9 is related to, if I take only 9, then that is related to plus 3, minus 3. Right? Similarly, if I take 4, that is related to plus 2, minus 2. Okay, and when I take 25, that is equal to plus 5 minus 5. So these are nothing but these are the square root. Okay, the square root of 9 is plus minus 3, or the square of plus 3 and minus 3 is 9, right? So see how I can form it in set builder form. The first one, R equal to the ordered pair x y such that y is equal to x square, right? Y, sorry, yes, my mistake, it's not y is equal to x square, y is equal to square root of x, or x is equal to y square, right? And x belongs to P, y belongs to Q. Clear? So this is the set builder form. Second, in rooster form, that means R is equal to 9 is related to plus 3, 9 is related to minus 3, 4 is related to plus 2, and 4 is related to minus 2. 25 is related to plus 5, 25 is related to minus 5. Okay, now the third question, it's domain. Now what is domain? The set of all the first element. So 9, 2 times 5 and 1, 4 and 25. What is the range? The second element means image of 9, 3 minus 3, 2 minus 2, 5 minus 5. Clear? And if codomain was asked, then I will add one more element, that is 1. Clear? So this was the question. Just note it down. Okay, students, so that's it for today. In our next video lecture, we'll study about functions, and then we'll start with exercise 2.3. Till now, that's it. Thank you.